What is the referendum? Shall the Board of Education of Lockport Township High School District Number 205, Will County, Illinois, alter, repair, renovate, equip, and improve the site of Lockport Township High School Central Campus, including preserving and protecting the exterior of the building, Veterans Foyer, and the main gym, replacing and improving HVAC and major mechanical systems, renovating and updating instructional areas and classrooms, and improving accessibility to comply with the Americans with Disability Act, and issuing bonds of said school district to the amount of $85 million for the purpose of paying the cost thereof. The referendum is not asking to build a new school. The referendum is asking to renovate and repair the school we have.